Jeremy Clarkson has alleged David Cameron once accidentally blew up his tractor, causing an explosion. The 62-year-old Top Gear host said he was left dumbstruck before finding out what had happened, initially believing the former Prime Minister had been hit by a heat-seeking missile. Jeremy initially didn't name names, saying a mate had asked to borrow his tractor because he needed to mow his paddock. He added, "I won't give you his name, safe to say it begins with a D and ends with an avid Cameron. But that's not important. What is important is that he borrowed it and it blew up. My neighbor arrived to borrow it one sunny Saturday morning and set off down my drive, looking like a politician who's pretending not to understand the countryside," Jeremy wrote in his column for The Times. David had apparently been dressed in a polo shirt, ear defenders and black Wellingtons, accessorizing his outfit with a Peaky Blinders hat. Jeremy said there was a bang and Ukraine-sized mushroom cloud as David tried to use the farming equipment. The TV presenter said oil splattered into the bushes and pieces of iron were heard landing several minutes later. He claims the alleged culprit of the incident claims that he didn't do anything wrong and that the machine decided, for no reason, to have a smoky aneurysm. The Mirror has approached representatives for David for comment. Jeremy will soon be back on our screens for another series of Clarkson's Farm, after confirming to fans he had some great news about the hit Amazon Prime show. Filming for the third series is currently underway, ahead of the launch of the second series, which is due to land on screens in 2023. The third installment will follow Jeremy, Lisa, Caleb and Charlie as they face a brand new set of challenges. As well as the returning cast, a few new faces will be welcomed to Diddley Squat Farm in order to help Jeremy to continue pursuing his farming dream. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.